The Industry Ready New York grant is a $3.7 million investment from New York State, supporting a 5 BOCES consortium led by the University at Buffalo to build a connected network of career centers. Over the next 3 years, we'll be expanding training in high-demand fields like advanced manufacturing, construction, electrical, HVAC, and clean technology, helping thousands of learners earn credentials, secure careers, and create a model that can be replicated across New York State. For the past 3 years, Ulster BOCES has been in partnership with Broome-Tioga BOCES, and I've had the privilege of partnering for impact with BOCES leaders across New York to strengthen career pathways, workforce readiness, and economic opportunity for learners throughout the state. What started as a shared vision and commitment between us and a small group of dedicated partners has grown into something truly remarkable. Together, we have built meaningful connections between education and industry, worked across regional boundaries, expanded opportunities, aligned programs with workforce needs, and helped individuals gain the skills, experiences, and relationships that they need to thrive in today's economy. This moment, combined with the creation of the Career Academies at iPark Initiative, has positioned Ulster BOCES to be at the forefront of innovation in career and technical education, career-connected learning, and career pathways development. Through this investment, Matt Sheehan of Broome-Tioga BOCES and I were able to welcome 3 new partners into this collaboration, including April Erkson of Otsego Northern Catskills BOCES, Michelle Friedman of Champlain Valley BOCES, and Simone Klubik of Erie 1 BOCES, as well as Stacy Johnson of the University at Buffalo, expanding our reach and increasing our impact across New York State. And what excites me most is that we are just getting started. As our partnership continues to grow, so does our vision of creating innovative career pathways that prepare learners for meaningful employment. And I couldn't be more grateful for this partnership and the impact we are creating together.